In order to obtain financial stability and security, everyone needs to learn how to save money. However, saving money could first appear difficult due to rising costs and obligations. Developing a strong strategy and making saving money a habit are essential for success. In this vibe, we will discuss some of the best ways to save money and how you can incorporate them into your lifestyle. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Create a budget plan. To start saving money, make a strategy for your budget. This entails making a list of all of your sources of income and out-of-pocket costs, after which you may calculate your monthly savings. When making a financial plan, honesty and realism are crucial. Take into account all of your essential costs, including rent, utilities, food, and other obligations. Once you've calculated how much you can save, follow this strategy and remember to periodically evaluate it and make any required modifications. Track your expenses. Without recognizing it, a lot of individuals have a tendency to overspend. Keeping a record of your spending is an essential first step in being frugal. Put down everything you spend money on, including tiny items like snacks or coffee. You may just write them down in a diary or use an app for budgeting. This can help you find areas where you can reduce wasteful spending and provide you a clear picture of where your money is going. Set savings goals. Creating clear, attainable savings objectives is a great method to inspire yourself to save money. Decide what you want to spend your savings for: a down payment on a home, a trip, or an emergency fund. It will be simpler to adhere to your spending plan and make the necessary compromises to meet your aim if you have a clear goal in mind. Automate your savings. Automating the procedure is a terrific method to make sure you save money each month. It is possible to program automatic monthly transfers from your checking account to a savings account. In this manner, saving money won't need your attention since it will happen automatically. Additionally, you may arrange for your company to automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into savings. Use the envelope system. Using the envelope system, which is a well-liked budgeting technique, you set aside money for certain bills and place it in envelopes with labels. You may have an envelope for grocery, takeout, entertainment, etc. For instance, you are not allowed to spend money in an envelope until the next month after it is empty. Those who have trouble spending too much money in one area or another may find this strategy helpful. Cook meals at home. Cooking at home may simply cut down on the huge expenditure of eating out. Make a grocery list, plan your meals for the next week, and follow it when you go grocery shopping. This is not only healthier but also more economical. In the long term, you may save a lot of money by meal prepping for the week and packing your own lunch to work. Negotiate expenses. Never be scared to haggle over costs such as your cable or phone bill. You may hunt for other service providers with competitive pricing or give the supplier a call to request a better deal. Although it could require some work, negotiation often results in lower expenses and more financial savings. Buy generic brands. Purchasing store brand or generic goods rather than name brand ones is another method to minimize costs. Often these items' flavor and quality are on par with, if not better than, those of the more costly names. This is true for home goods, food, and even prescription drugs. Take advantage of sales and discounts. Always be on the lookout for promotions and discounts, particularly on products you use often. Shopping sales for non-perishables and stocking up on them is one approach to do this. To save money on your purchases, you may also utilize reward programs and discounts. But even when something is on sale, make sure you only buy what you really need and refrain from impulsive purchases. Use cash instead of credit cards. Although using a credit card to make purchases might be alluring, keep in mind that you will eventually be responsible for paying for those transactions. You will be less inclined to overspend when you pay with cash since you are more conscious of how much you are spending. If you do use a credit card, be sure to pay off the whole amount each month to prevent interest from building up. Cut down on subscriptions and memberships. It is simple to amass a variety of memberships and subscriptions in this digital era, including those to streaming services, fitness centers, and magazines. Examine them more closely to see which ones you really utilize and cancel the ones you don't need. You may save a substantial sum of money every month by doing this. Find free and low-cost entertainment options. Although there are many inexpensive and free entertainment choices, the cost of entertainment may rapidly mount up. Have a movie night at home rather than at the theater. Have a picnic in the park rather than dining out. In your town, there are also free events and activities to choose from. Find enjoyable and inexpensive entertainment choices by using your imagination and being creative. DIY whenever possible. Consider doing it yourself rather than paying for services like vehicle washes, lawn care, and home cleaning. You may save money and engage in enjoyable and useful activities at the same time. Additionally, you may gain new abilities and become more independent. Consider second-hand options. Purchasing used goods may result in huge financial savings. To locate gently used products for a fraction of the price of new, check out garage sales, second-hand shops, and internet marketplaces. This is true for accessories, gadgets, furnishings, and more. Reduce energy consumption. Not only does using less energy benefit the environment, but it also lowers your electricity costs. When not in use, develop the practice of turning off lights and appliances. Invest in equipment and light bulbs that use less energy. To reduce your energy expenses, you may also change the settings on your water heater and thermostat. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulsive purchases have a tendency to pile up rapidly and throw off your finances and budget. Consider if you really need the item before purchasing it or whether it's simply something you're lusting for right now. Give yourself some time to think things through before making a major purchase to be sure you will really use and meet it. Avoid debt. Debt is one of the main obstacles to saving money. Prioritizing the repayment of any current debt and avoiding taking on additional debt are crucial. Long-term cost savings are certain, although it can need some compromises and tight budgeting. Find ways to increase your income. It could be time to look for methods to boost your income if your regular source of income is insufficient to pay your bills. This might be achieved by requesting a raise, starting a side business, or obtaining employment that pays more. It will be simpler to save the more money you bring in. Reward yourself. It might be difficult to save money and stay to a budget, but it's important to periodically treat yourself. This may be done by rewarding oneself with a little purchase or by engaging in a unique activity. You'll feel more accomplished and inspired as a result of this. Be consistent. Finally, the secret to saving money is consistency. It requires constant cultivation over the course of a lifetime rather than a one-time effort. Adhere to your savings and budget and never forget that every little bit matters. You'll make great progress and have improved financial circumstances over time. Conclusion. It takes discipline, perseverance, and resolve to save money. Through adherence to these guidelines and little adjustments to your consumption patterns, you may establish a strong basis for monetary steadiness and assurance. It is never too late to begin saving, so put these suggestions into practice right now and see your savings increase over time. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.